Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make yourself stew in Wacky Wizards. First, you'll need to gather the essential ingredients for the stew potion. Find the giant cauldron in the game world, which is where all your magical concoctions come to life. Carefully place the required items into the cauldron, preparing the base for your unique transformation. This initial step is crucial for brewing the perfect, wacky stew. Now for the fun part, becoming the stew yourself. You'll need to use a shrinking potion or a similar effect to make your character small enough. Once you're tiny, carefully jump directly into the bubbling cauldron alongside the other ingredients. This is the key step to infusing yourself into the potion. Patiently wait for the brewing process to finish and watch for the potion to change color. Once the potion is ready, you can drink your self-made stew. This special concoction will grant you some truly unique and often hilarious abilities. You'll notice a temporary change in your character's appearance, reflecting the stew's magical properties. Get ready to experience some silly and unexpected effects as you run around the Wacky Wizards world. It's all part of the fun and experimentation. Don't stop at just one type of stew. Wacky Wizards encourages endless experimentation. Try adding different ingredients to the cauldron before you jump in to discover new and exciting potion effects. Each new combination can lead to surprising and often powerful results. Share your unique stew creations with your friends and see what wild adventures you can have together. The possibilities are truly limitless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.